topic language and humanity. Language is an abstract system of symbol and meanings. This system includes grammar that relates meaning so that we can communicate with each other, as language plays very important role in the development of person's personality. Not only in personality, but by learning more than one language, it can develop person's cognitive skills. Learning more than one language also important in social development of person, as language is not the creation of one person or of one period, but it is an institution on which hundreds of generations and countless individual workers have worked. The person's study is undertaken with the view to explain role of language in human life. Vanya, next करना. Language is the ability to acquire and use complex systems of communication, particularly the human ability to do so, and a language is any specific example of such a system. Language is the derived gift of the God. It is language that distinguishes man from animals. Language is man's finest access to the philosopher. Language may be instrument of thought, for we think through language. Language is an extreme important way of interacting with the people around. Language is an extremely important way of interacting with people around us. Without language, we cannot communicate with people, as it is a viral tool for communication.
आप लोग जब
We all
स्लाइड्स
know
बनाते हैं तो बुलेट्स इस्तेमाल करके ब्रेक डाउन करके टेक्स्ट को थोड़ा छोटा करके किया करें. आप इस तरह का लंबा पैराग्राफ और फिर उसकी रीडिंग, दिस इज़ नॉट द वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग ना. तो थोड़ा सा कंटेंट तो फॉन्ट साइज इंक्रीज करें, बुलेट्स बना दें, मेन पॉइंट्स लिख दें, बाकी चीज़ें बोल दें.
ओके मैम, नेक्स्ट टाइम से मैम ध्यान रखेंगे. We all know that we are living multilingual world that is becoming globalized, and therefore it is very important to know more than one language. By learning more than one language, it could open many career doors. It can help us progress in our career. We can gain awareness of other culture, and it can increase our misunderstanding and knowledge towards language. In today's era, it is compulsory to learn at least two languages. Knowing language is not only means of communication, but it builds economic relationship, friendship, and culture ties. As we all as we all know, that English language had become a unique language, but in this world there are still many people we don't know even English language. English is one such connecting links. Learning language facilitate opportunities to develop their listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills, and to express themselves with full confidence. John Stuart Mill referred that language to be the uh, light of the mind. In today's era, the basic knowledge of a single or more language has become crucial. Language has become the major tool of communication between countries, culture, and groups. Various companies and organizations communicates and friends. Milton says the limited of my language is the limited of my world. Vanya, next slide. He implies that people, those who speaks one language, live only in one world. A baby is born without language, but even without any formal training. At the age of 4 or 5, the child knows several hundred words and grammar of a particular language. For the last few years, millions of people across the world who share common interests are able to communicate with each other and exchange ideas. Not only they are able to do this due to advanced technology, but also because they share a common language. Language is the bridge which connects individual and outside the world. Language is closely related to the culture. You can only get to understand the person very well if you can speak his language. Due to this development of technology, our world today is the world of information with the fast speed of globalization, thus understanding each other through language because an even more important issue. Language is like a vehicle that we use in presenting our ideas, thoughts, feelings, and opinions in the world. As Chomsky proves the purpose of the language, he said the purpose of language is for communication. Also explain the major function of language from the following three aspects. Anya, next slide. Number one, language is the primary vehicle of communication. Number two, language reflects both the personality of the individual and the culture of the society. Number three, language make possible the growth and transmission of culture and the communicated of societies and the effective functioning and control of social group. Scope of languages. The scope of language is wider than winding scope of human activity. Today, there is no activity which does not find its expression in terms of language. No subject can be pursued, but it arts or science without using and understanding language. Human activity linked to language goes on winding the manner of concentrating circles. Generally speaking, language is a socially shared code or controversial system that represent ideas through the use of arbitrary symbols and rules that govern combination of these symbols. Therefore, it may be seen that language is a code whereby ideas about the world are presented through a controversial system of arbitrary symbols of communication learning. Learning language is variety is a very important for job, for communication between people, for interacting. Nowadays, many companies want those people who knows more than one language, as many languages encourages that employees to sharpen their language skills, as language allows one to share information and to communicate with beliefs and speculations, attitude and emotions. Vanya, next slide. Many languages create confusion, but it is not likely that if you learn any new language, you have to study the grammar from the starting, and it increases the knowledge only. And in the today world, language is one of the key factors in comprehensiveness. Ability to communicate in multiple languages is becoming more and more important in the increasingly global business community. Communicating directly with new clients in their native language is one of the first steps to finding of stable international business relationship. Many institutions offer opportunities learn a foreign language. Learning to communicate fluently in multiple language provides additional job security. Language learning a new language is not only learning grammar or vocabulary, it is learning now new sounds and expressions. Also know that many companies want to increase their business, so they connect their companies to other country companies, so for that they need many different kinds of employees so can communicate in different languages and understand other cultures. Vanya, next slide. Role of language in life. Language is crucial role in life of every individual. The role of language in our lives incomparable. It is not just retrained to being a means of communication once and ideas to the rest, but has also become a tool for giving friendship, culture ties, as well as economic relationship. Throughout history, learned men have reflected on the importance of language in our lives. Language is an extremely important way of interacting with the people around us. We use language to let others know how we feel, what we need, and to ask questions. We can modify our languages to each situation. For instance, we talk to our small children with different words and tones than we conduct or ask business meeting. To communicate effectively, we send a message with words, uh, gestures, or actions which somebody else receives. The role of language in the life of the individual and for the human civilization can be started as follow. Next slide. यार आगे कर दिया, पिक करो।
अच्छा,
Vehicle of the thought. Language is the vehicle of our thought. We think through language. The thinking process is distributed if the individual has deficiency in language. Communication with other countries. Different countries communicate with either through language only. International communicate exchange their views through English. Language become language because English is international language. Human development process. Language is one of the key factors of our human development process, which sets us apart from the rest of animal kingdom and needs a strong feeling of kingship among us. A baby is born without language, but even without formal training, but the age of 5, the child knows several hundred words and grammar of a particular language. This is an inherent human tendency which is extremely important for further growth, as it is seen, seen in learning a language at such early stage might indicate certain illness in a child. The child's growth in the development trajectory of a child. Language plays an important role since it is connected with the basic aspects of a child's growth. Learning a language is directly related to the emotional development. For instance, a baby gazing at the parent's face, it is responsive by uttering and few words of love by his parents. The relation in his baby's mind, and when he is little older, he begins using language to express his emotions as well. Next slide. Gender differences and society. Greatest linguistic distinctions between men's and women's languages come from technological and non-advanced food gathering or numeric communicates where sex roles were much more clearly delineated. Next slide. English also has a number of pairs of words for males and females which appear at first sight to be equivalent. Chair, chairman, chairperson, police, policeman, policewoman, officer, waiter, waitress, woman, doctor, Mr. President, Madam, First Lady, First Gentleman. Next slide. Change the language, change society. Linguistic changes follow social changes very readily, but it is not always a simple matter to make them pre-social changes. Also, because language and society are so clearly linked, it is possible in some cases to encourage social change by directing attention towards linguistic reflections of aspects of society that one would like to see at all. Next slide. Insights from linguistics. This sort of involvement by linguistic in issues to do with language and gender is an example of the way in which many social linguistics feel, quite rightly, that is important for those of us who have some insights into the nature of the relationship between society and language to make those insights available to the wider community in cases where these insights can be of the same value. Next slide. Some widely held views. One, a country should have only one language. Number second, lack of linguistic unity goes together with lack of political unity. Number three, minority language should be suppressed. Number four, all minority language should not be promoted. Next language. Next slide. Some widely held views. Number two, non-standard dialects should be suppressed or non-standard dialects should not be promoted. Our language should be protected from the invasion of foreign words. Next slide. The linguistic responsibility. It is a sad but true linguistic fact that language issues can bring out the worst as well as the best human beings, and that some people who would otherwise pride themselves on being intelligent and rational can behave in most illogical ways when it comes to language issues. One of the things that languages in general and psycholinguistics in particular have tried to do over the years is to encourage people to think in a more sensible way about language issues by providing them with more information about language. This is important for all sorts of reasons to do with fairness, quality, and even the future of humanity. Next slide. मैम कंप्लीट हो गई है प्रेजेंटेशन मेरी और वानिया की.
ठीक है जी.